Let's talk about writing number 1. It is an integrated writing, which means you're going to read, listen, and then write an essay. So let's talk about what you need to expect from this essay. So this is the beginning of our writing number 1. We have a text and we have 3 minutes to read it. You don't have to take notes because the text will stay with you during your writing. So you don't have to write down everything that you read. It's fine. You can just read it during 3 minutes. But what you can do is try to predict what the listening will be about, because it can help you to understand the listening better. Usually, the listening passage contradicts everything that you read. So sometimes it's very easy to predict what is going to be in the listening. So while you're reading, you can start to understand what is the reading main points. And then in the listening, they will probably talk about the same key points, but then they will contradict each one of them. So it's sometimes very easy to predict the listening. And this is what you should try to do. Then, after you read this text during 3 minutes, which is, by the way, a lot of time to finish the text and actually think about something or try to think what is the best way to write about it later, or stuff like that, then you will have a lecture. So usually you will see a photo of a person, of a professor, talking about the same topic, but contradicting each key point that you read about. You should, of course, take as many notes as you can. You should write down every single thing that you'll hear, because later you're going to write an essay about it. So the more notes you take, the easier it is to write an essay for you. So take as many notes as you can, because you will not have an opportunity to listen to this professor again. This is the last chance for you to write down what he says, so do it. After you listen to the lecture, we are going to write an essay. We will still have the text here, and we will have 20 minutes to plan and write our essay. We will have to write an essay between 150 and 225 words, so somewhere between this limit. It is important for you to stay within this word limit, because if you write less than that, it is going to negatively affect your score. Another very important thing to do here is to paraphrase everything that you read, because of course it's very easy for you to just write down word by word what is here, but if you do so, then you're going to lose points, a lot of points, because it's very important for them to check your paraphrasing skill. Remember that this is one of the TOEFL skills which they are trying to check everywhere in every single section of the test. So this is another opportunity for them to check how good are you with paraphrasing. So for you, it is an opportunity to show them that you're brilliant in paraphrasing. That is why you need to paraphrase everything that you read. Do not copy and paste. Do not write everything word by word from the text. Always paraphrase. Do not copy more than 2 words together from the text. If you copied 3 and more words from the text, you're going to lose the points. So it is very important for you to paraphrase everything from the text, and of course to write as many details from the listening as you can. So we are going to talk about the structure of this essay in the next video, but for now, do not forget about the time limit. You only have 20 minutes to write this essay, so always keep track of the time, keep track of the word limit, and of course, do not try to reach the word limit by adding too many unnecessary words, because we remember one of the criteria of your writing is writing concisely. So do not forget to write your essay concisely. Also, do not forget about the coherence, but we are going to talk about how to structure your essay in the next videos. For now, we just got familiar with the essay. We have the reading passage, the listening passage, and then we need to summarize everything. In the next video, we're going to see how to do that. Thanks for watching.